Now that you're familiar with Ozobot, let's have a little bit of fun and take him bowling. Your challenge today is going to be to make Ozobot knock over as many bowling pins as possible. The supplies that you're going to need to do this are Ozobot, the Ozobot markers, 10 bowling pins, a bowling alley coding sheet, and then you're going to need your coding key. For best results in this challenge, you're only going to want to use the speed codes and the direction codes. Remember, Ozobot doesn't know what to do unless you tell him what to do with a code. This is a speed code. Blue, green, blue makes him go turbo. But if he doesn't have anything here, he'll just stop. Since he has an intersection coming up, I'm going to want to use a direction code here to tell him which way to go. You have to decide, do you want him to go left or do you want him to go right? Remember that the purpose of coding is to always be at least 2 or 3 steps ahead. So you're always thinking about what do you want your robot to do next. For instance, once he goes right here, am I going to make him go straight through the intersection, turn left, or turn right? You need to think about this as a bowling alley also, and remember that all of your bowling pins are going to be set up at the intersections or the corners, and you want him to knock them all down the first try. Once you have all of your codes in, you need to take your bowling pins and set them up on the corners or the intersections. When you're ready to go bowling, put your Ozobot at the end, turn him on, and let's see how many pins he can knock over. Think about how you could do it differently next time so that he knocks them all over. But before you do that, you've got a math challenge. Kindergarten, I want you to count how many pins did he knock over and compare it to the number that's left standing. Is it more, is it less, or is it the same? First grade, your challenge is to come up with a number sentence to show how many pins were knocked over. You can write your different number sentences down here at the bottom. Second grade, I want you to come up with a math story problem. I want you to write it down on the back of your paper, and then you and your partner take turns videoing each other, but Ozobot needs to act out your story problem. As always, remember to have fun and remember that it's a challenge. It's not going to work perfectly for you every time.